In essence, very often people have an idea, and I want to distinguish the idea from the concept. So an idea is actually already an embodiment of a concept, and some people are not even aware of the concept where the idea came from. So that's very, very interesting. So it's a bit, up there, but that's a distinction that is worth pointing at. So they have an idea. Let's say we were talking about a soap dispenser. So they have an idea of a soap dispenser that has a specific handle that allows you to get the soap. Very often they will go to either a product development agency or try to do that on their own. But the idea is that they will build a prototype and build some physicality to it. And then if you don't have the experience, then you face, okay, how do we manufacture that thing? And if you don't know all the technology and everything, it becomes like a very heavy burden and everything. But what is interesting is that very often, and that happens very often with, I would say, inventors and first-time entrepreneurs, they are really, really product focused. And they have this idea, they're kind of locked in some ways in the idea. And then they keep pushing and thinking that if they get the product right, that's going to work. That's one of the reasons why the hardware ventures are bad. There's a tenfold in failures versus any other ventures. It's not because it's harder. I mean, hardware is a bit harder, that's true. But pretty much very often, all the entrepreneurs being more like technicians, I would say, like technical oriented, they all make the same mistakes. And so the two mistakes that are made at the very early stages are lack of market fit and disregarding the business model. If I go back to this idea of soap dispenser, so you have an idea of a soap dispenser with a specific handle, that's the idea. The essence, the concept of that is a soap dispenser. And a soap dispenser could be this, but it could be with a sensor, it could be with a different handle, it could be upside down, it could be with pressure, it could be, I don't know, like even on the tap itself, like there are so many options. So all those options are different ideas of the same concept. So that's why when you have an idea, it's good to find an expression, and which means usually you can do some kind of CAD rendering or give it a form and a shape. And then you need to confront that with the market as soon as possible. And that's my highest recommendation. Start talking to your market, see if they have the same problem, see if they see the solution as a good solution, and then you work your way up on product development and business modeling after that.